I don't think you've seen this before. It's lovely and it's filling and it's massive. This is the best cheese pool in town, look at it. So the normal cheese and tomato calzone starts from £8, and then you can add your chicken, you can add your pepperoni, and you can add your meatballs. And if you're vegan, we've got vegan chicken, vegan pepperoni, and a good vegan cheese. So you can have exactly the same thing in vegan.
We're up from the West Country in Somerset, and we've come up with a truckload of cheddar cheese and some dry aged beef that's been drying in a cave full of pink Himalayan salt to make the beef succulent and tasty. And we basically cook the most incredible, well, I wouldn't say incredible, but they're really delicious cheeseburgers.
We'll be in Trinity throughout Christmas up until the 16th of January. Being all day, and come and see us. Love to see you.